Hi guys, welcome to Shaka channel. So guys, I'm discuss very important topic is called how we'll be connecting Instagram to your Facebook page. What is the purpose of we connecting for Facebook to Instagram? First question. The major important key point is called if you share the content Instagram to Facebook automatically. The option name is called Facebook Creator Studio. First of all, any Facebook page create and log in Instagram, same browser. If a different email ID, different anything will be workout, but same browser will be login. After this one, we have to go for settings. You will be admin on the Facebook page, mandatory field. Here, the option name is called Instagram. The option name is called Instagram. Now will be option will be connecting will be Instagram account. Click for access your Instagram. Is asking for your login ID and password. So you can log in, it will be compulsory required and password. This connection will be not done. We can't share your videos and images at a time into Facebook and Instagram also. Switch now. Now it will be started by switching and Instagram to Facebook. Instagram to Facebook. Now we'll be going to connect. Everything will be click for here. Done. Your account will be successful, be ready option. Now, after activate, so everything will be perfectly done. So your Facebook will be connecting for Instagram. Immediately we can go option name is called facebook.com/creator studio. That is called facebook.com/creator studio. This is nothing but is a Facebook universal option. Means again we can posting for multiple pages and Instagram also. In this Instagram, we have to first of all connecting Instagram account in this Instagram option where add Instagram account. You can add your Arun Academy in this Instagram option. When you connecting Facebook page to Instagram, this option will be valid for the to account will be add Facebook Creator Studio. The purpose of at a time will be posting Instagram and Facebook purpose. Instagram and Facebook purpose. Now my account will be added. So right now I'm taking for my example, my Instagram and my Facebook. So this is my new account. I can't post this account. So in this reason, I'm selecting for my account, Digital Rakesh and Digital Rakesh account. In the same simple, select here, select Instagram post. In the Instagram post option, steps are very clear. Any doubts will be required, asking to the Digital Rakesh channel. In this, select option name is called my page. In this below you are showing for Facebook page also, but without adding image we can't post. Select your image option where you exact the image is there, go for image, and image will be Instagram purpose 500 by 500 only Instagram purpose, but you're posting for Instagram Facebook, both version we can use. So I'll using one of the best image in your option that will be used. I'm selecting Facebook page. At a time I'm connecting with the option. When adding time, we can multiple email also accept. But in Facebook, when you're posting time, one image enough. But when you're posting Instagram, select a multiple image. I'll show that one also. After that, you can share your content. Now I'm share the content. Now content will be selected. Simple. Just post your content and click for publish. So content was posted. Now, if you only posting Instagram purpose, we have selecting for multiple images acceptable. Now select this option. Here we can selecting for multiple image will be select. I can selecting 4 image where Instagram purpose, but Facebook purpose only one image enough. Now click for publish. Now go to Instagram, refresh. Here, what are the posts you done? Check for here. This is a old post. New post will be updated once you will be refresh. The content updating here will be showing 1, 2, 3, and 4 images. This image will be multiple purpose Instagram. only one email purpose, Instagram and Facebook option. So that is the reason each Facebook will be connecting Instagram account. The purpose of posting the content at a time Instagram and Facebook by using Facebook Creator Studio. Facebook.com/Creator Studio will be enabled. Here will be showing Facebook posting, Instagram. Only Instagram at a time will be sharing images and videos. The option visible by the Facebook Creator Studio. Still, you have any doubts? Ask me to the Digital Rakesh channel. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel.